Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic, microeconomics. The content we are going to cover are theory of cost and concept of costs. Theory of cost. The theory of cost definition states that the costs of a business highly determine its supply and spending. The cost function varies concerning factors such as operation scale, output size, price of production, and more. Fixed cost does not change with the volume of production. The determination of the price of a product or service is not easy. Several other factors govern it. The theory of cost defines states that the cost of business highly determine its supply and spendings. The modern theory of cost in economics looks into the concept of cost, short run, total, and average cost, long run cost along with economic scales. The cost function varies concerning factors such as operation scale, output size, price of production, and more. The theory of cost production needs to be understood in detail by economists to run their company and increase its profit and productivity. The modern theory of cost in economics also specifies economies of scale where an increased production decreases the cost per unit of production. The returns to scale first increases, then stabilizes for some time and then decreases. Concept of cost. Accounting and economic cost. Accounting costs are these costs which are included in the cost of production. Hence, accounting costs take care of all payments and charges that the firm makes to suppliers of different productive factors. If not involved in the business, he could have offered his services to other firms for an amount of money. Accounting costs do not involve these costs, they form a part of the economic cost. Hence, economic cost includes the normal return on the money that the businessman invests in his own business. The salary is not paid to the entrepreneur but could have been earned if the service would have been sold elsewhere. A reward for all factors owned by the businessman and used in his own businesses. Concept of cost, outlay and opportunity cost. Outlay costs include the actual expenditure of funds on factors like material, rent, wages, etc. On the other hand, opportunity costs are the cost of missed opportunities. In other words, it compares the policy chosen and policy rejected. Direct or traceable costs and indirect or non-traceable costs. Direct costs, costs which are easily identifiable and traceable to a particular product, operation, or plant. Indirect costs, costs which are not easily identifiable or traceable to specific goods, services, operation, etc. These costs bear some functional relationship to production and may vary with the output. Fixed and variable cost. Fixed costs or constant costs are not a function of the output. That is, they do not vary with the output up to a certain extent. They require a fixed expenditure of funds regardless of the output. Variable costs are cost concepts which are a function of the output in the production period. Variable costs vary directly with the output.